Hello guys, welcome to Mom and Twin Boys channel. In today's video, I'll be installing a glueless curly bob human hair wig from Amazon. It's already pre-plucked, pre-cut, wear and go glueless wig for beginners. The length is 12 inch. With this wig, it comes with a wig cap and headband wig. So here, as you can see, I am opening, taking off all those extra stuff that it comes with and removing my net. And this ear is so nice. I love the feel, very minimal shedding. This curly bob is so good. No, very minimal shedding, and I was pleased with that. So it comes with an extra band to secure. That's for extra security. That's how the inside look, and it comes with 3 clips. I think 1 at the back and 2 at the side for extra security, and I'm showing that right now. So here, as you can see, a little pamphlet with the length, the true length, which is 12 inch, and the instructions of how to care for the wig. And here is the band, which was nice. I like that they gave an extra band. I really like that. Didn't too like the color, but it's free. It comes with the wig, and I'm thankful. Then, is that it? Okay, then I got my wig cap. Yes, and my wig cap, as I said earlier on in the video. So please to continue watching the video, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So right here, as you can see, I was going with a side part because I just feel like a side part fits me more than a center part. So I was trying to get it part straight enough, but it was not as straight as I would want it to be, but I tried. This is a beginner friendly video and I'm trying to install this wig, and I think this is the wig that I would wear most of the times. I like the length and everything. It's not too long. I love this length, and I think this is something that I would wear every single day. I really love it. Whether it's the summer or the winter, I would wear it because sometimes I just can't take the hair hanging down, the long hair. Sometimes I can't bother with that. So I love that. But please to keep on watching, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so here I packed up most of my stuff, so I had this got to be spray. So I said I see the girlies who do the wig use this to try get the hair flat, so that's what I used the got to be spray to do. It did not work. I guess it's because I did not turn out the heat on the flat iron, on the iron, not flat iron, on that comb, so that's why it was not like flat, laying flat as how I would really like it to be. And I'm afraid of the heat because in the first wig that I installed, I got I got burned twice, and I was so afraid to use this because if I put it to 2 or 3, it is really hot. So what I will be doing whenever I'm wearing this wig, I make sure that I use my wax stick to get it bone straight. And right at the front there where you see that little line, I do not have makeup at the moment to like blend it in with my forehead skin color, so that's why I left it like that. So I'm planning to get one of those, you know, concealer that will blend in with my forehead color up there. So that's it. Please to keep on watching.